Well, as you can see behind me, Pattaya's world famous jet ski operation has been shut down. There's no jet skis working. Nope, none at all. There is nobody on Pattaya Beach at all, and the sun is shining bright. Now, beaches are usually one of the healthiest places that you could go. That sunshine, you need that for immunity. And yet, somebody in their infinite wisdom said, close the beaches. And while we're at close the beaches, they should be open again on May 1st. Now, on April 29th, AirAsia will start flying in Malaysia. On May 1st, yes, that's May 1st, AirAsia will be operating their domestic routes in Thailand. So you got to contact the airline to get the information that you need. But that's a good sign. And I also heard the Bangkok Pattaya bus should be operating again on May 1st. Now I heard that, that's only a rumor. But it looks like things will be going again for May 1st. That's the date we're looking at. Okay.